If you are camping, enjoying some tailgating, or having a simple picnic, a quad portable refrigerator or a portable freezer can arrive in handy. It is a luxury, sure, but an investment in your comfort and an investment that will last for years. This is one of the easiest methods of keeping food and drinks cool, and the most important feature is that they are extremely simple to transport. For this reason, here's our selection of the 5 best quad portable refrigerators regardless of your needs. So, our picks of the best portable refrigerators can help you decide. Let's check them out.
Hello there, we're the Top Zone. We're a bunch of researcher and tester. We test, analyze, research new product, and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, features, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products idea so the viewer may know about the products. Our goal is to create the proper shopping guide so the viewer can make their proper decision.
If you're searching for a top quality camping refrigerator, the ARB Fridge Freezer will be the best bet for you. The capacity of this fridge is 65 at 375 ml cans. This refrigerator has 2 separate zones, so you can bring along a mixture of fridge and freezer items. Each zone can be set to fridge or freezer or turned off. It is a heavy-duty, power-efficient refrigerator that performs especially well on off-road overlanding adventures. Also, the tough steel casing will protect your refrigerator on bumpy mountain tracks. You can monitor and control the temperature via a user-friendly app that you download onto your mobile phone. Plus, this fridge delivers USB charging for other devices. However, if you have access to mains electricity, you can use the AC power inlet. And on the road, just switch over to dual DC power inlet and you're good to go. Finally, the ARB Fridge Freezer has an impressive reputation for quality, and this portable refrigerator is a highly efficient camping refrigerator. The F40 C4 TMP is an awesome quality portable refrigerator. This 20-quart freezer is excellent for camping, road trip, RV, truck, and home use. Its compressor technology provides fast cooling and low power drain and superior reliability. This 12-volt refrigerator in an empty can cool down to 32 degrees Fahrenheit within 20 minutes and reach the lowest -7.6 degrees Fahrenheit in about an hour. Also, with a 45 decibels low noise level, this will not interfere with sleep and driving. This portable refrigerator has 2 cooling modes to select from: Max, that means fast cooling, and Eco, energy saving. Also, there are some cup slots on the lid of this refrigerator and you can put drinks on it. Even its lid can be used as a table with a rock-solid design. Amazingly, its LCD display panel can support you set the temperature in a dimly lit environment. Moreover, you can charge your phone when required with a USB charging port. So, if you're wanting a day on the beach, spend several days on the road, or camping with family and friends, this portable refrigerator will fulfill your requirements to keep your drinks, foods, and snacks fresh. Alpicool C9 Mini Portable Refrigerator is a suitable solution for keeping your food and drinks cold on the go. It has a compact capacity of 10 quarts, that means 9 liters. This small portable fridge uses very little energy and has enough space to fit 8 water bottles. And the 12 or 24 volt DC power adapter creates this refrigerator all-inclusive. Also, this features a built-in freezer compartment that is ideal for storing ice cream or frozen meals. This portable refrigerator has a vibration-resistant feature that protects the compressor, confirming the temperature inside the fridge remains constant even when traveling on the bumpy roads. Additionally, it has 3 different levels of battery protection, so you don't have to worry about your car battery dying while you are driving. Plus, it arrives with simple-to-grip handles on both sides for carrying around for convenience and ease of transport. Overall, with its convenient size, this refrigerator can simply be transported from one location to another, creating it amazing for those who are always swamped and busy. Another best camping refrigerator on the market right now is the AstroAI 12-volt portable refrigerator. This 15-liter capacity provides you plenty of space for supplies, and the lowest temperature of -4 degrees Fahrenheit can be reached in just 1 hour. And this operates in a tough environment, which is even a 45-degree slope. This fridge has 3 levels of battery protection such as low, medium, and high. Even as you set the temperature on an LED display, you can select whether to use the AstroAI as a fridge or a freezer. And when you like to save energy, you can switch to the Eco mode, which will hold food cool with very little power draw. Furthermore, this refrigerator has built-in battery protection, so you don't have to worry about draining your vehicle's battery. Also, the safety handles are developed into this refrigerator, which creates it easier to carry and transport. If you can't splash on a top-of-the-range camping refrigerator right now, the AstroAI 12-volt portable refrigerator will be a brilliant, affordable option. AstroAI has a reputation for greatness. The AstroAI electric portable cooler will be an excellent choice for those going on a family picnic or camping trip. And you can load the 24-liter cooler out to the park or beach. Because this cooler is a 24-liter portable thermoelectric cooler powered by a 12-volt DC adapter compatible with car cigarette lighters. This cooler can cool up to 32 degrees Fahrenheit below ambient temperature. Also, it can have one-day ice retention without electricity. Also, it has a deep interior that can simply fit 2-liter soda and wine bottles. With the ergonomic folding handle, carrying this cooler to the picnic site is a breeze. Plus, its removable divider creates small items such as beverages, wines, foods, and fruits simple to separate. Moreover, its reinforced socket delivers safety and durability. This cooler's flip-up handle is locked towards the back and is open to the front, and you can hold the lid tightly sealed. As a result, you don't have to worry about falling when you drive on bumpy roads. However, its large size makes it ideal for family road trips or anyone who spends a lot of time in their vehicle. So the choice is yours.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.